student, this is Preeti. I welcome you all today's session, and today we are going to learn a new chapter, Unit 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. This is the lady who was very brave and who was very intelligent, who went to the space, but unfortunately it was not successful. So today we are going to learn, and today we are going to get a new information about it. Will be new information for you guys about Kalpana Chawla, an Indian American woman. Basically she was the Indian woman, but she settled in and she did this every aerospace engineering and everything, PhD, everything at America, in short USA. So first we see what is space. First you should know the meaning of space. What is the meaning of the space? So I have written here, a space means where stars and planets exist. That means up in the higher in the sky, zenith of the sky, we cannot reach there in the space. First, the meaning of space means where the star and planets exist, right? Like Mercury, there are some planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. These types of planets are there in the space, and it is not easy to go and find something or do some experiment on the planet. And the spaceship, what is the spaceship? A spaceship means a vehicle. It is like plane and spaceship. These both things are the different. Plane, by the plane we just go from one place to another place, one city to another city, or from one country to another country. But for the spaceship is a vehicle. This is also a type of vehicle which carrying the people to the space. A vehicle that travels in space and carrying the people to the space. So first, before learning this chapter, you should know the meaning of the space and the spaceship. Again, I repeat for you. The space means where stars and planets exist. From the down on the earth, if we see up in the sky, you can see many stars and moons upside. So it is called space, and it is not easy to reach there. And the spaceship means a vehicle that travels in space, carrying people to the space. This is the kind of vehicle which is helpful, which is take us to the space. And there is one international, there is world famous agency, NASA. NASA means Independent Airspace Agency, Space Research Agency in USA. This is the NASA. Like in India, we also have one space research agency, ISRO. So in the America, there is also one NASA, Independent Space Research Agency in USA. Now let's see first new word, then we'll read our chapter and we'll explain it. Frontiers, borders, blast off, take off, enormous, great, gliders, type of plane without engine. This is also a type of plane. There are some planes which have one engine, which have multiple engine, or somehow no engine. That means this glider is the type of plane, but it has no engine. Now let's see the lesson about Kalpana Chawla, the Indian American woman who went to the space. Now I just read first, then I will explain you. You guys also open the page number 46 and see in your book. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. That means when the Kalpana Chawla was a child, she never dreamed, she never imagined that I would be in the space in some days in my future. That means उसने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि वो कभी स्पेस में जाके अपना करियर करेंगी, या कभी वो फ्रंट लाइन्स को या स्पेस की बॉर्डर्स को जाके छुएंगी. So here she never dreamed, when she was the childhood, she never dreamed that sometimes I will be reached to the space or I will touch to the borders of the space. That means this is very big things for her. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. That means she was from Karnal and she completed her school from the Tagore School. She completed her schooling education from the Tagore School. Then her parents allowed her to do the graduation. Then after school, after 12, everyone do the graduation like BA, BCom, BSc, like this everything. So her parents also allowed her to do the graduation after schooling. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master degree to United States of America. Then after bachelor degree, she has done her graduation. She has completed her graduation. Then she wanted to, Kalpana Chawla wanted to do a aeronautical engineering. She wanted to do the aeronautical engineering after graduation, but her parents didn't allow her to do. After the opposition, after the great opposition of her parents, she went to the USA, she went to the America and she did her aeronautical engineering. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. After completing her engineering degree, she did PhD. In which subject she did the PhD? She earned the PhD degree in aerospace engineering. In the aerospace, that means in that aeronautical engineering, you just have to study about the space, about the planet, and what kind of experiences we can do on the planet. That all things we have to do in the aeronautical engineering. So Kalpana Chawla also did her aeronautical engineering, and after that, after the opposition of her parents, she went to the America, and from there she did her PhD in aerospace engineering. That much she was very much interested in the space, in the planet and everything, because she wanted to touch the sky. She had very bright dreams to go in the space. That's why she completed her whole education in the aerospace engineering, and even she did the PhD also in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in the successful mission in the space. Now she was the first American woman. Many of the Indians go to the America for their education, but the Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian astronaut who went to the America, because she already did everything, all the educations from the America, that aeronautical engineering. Even she did the aerospace PhD also. Now she was the first Indian American woman who went to the America, and she selected for the astronaut and blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in the mission successfully. That means she was selected for the mission in the space very successfully. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. That means it was the mission of Columbia. That was the Columbia mission where the Kalpana Chawla was selected and she was going to be in the space. So everyone was very happy along with her family and everything. If we do some achievement, our family obviously they cheer us, they glad very much for us, and they feel very proud. Like that only Kalpana Chawla's parents and the people from her village, they also cheered very much, because the Kalpana Chawla was selected for the mission of the space of Columbia. The Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana. Now where she was born, the Kalpana born in Karnal, and this village, this city is in Haryana state. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was the naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Perry Harrison. She was the Indian, but she married to the flight instructor. She married to the American man. That's why naturally she got the American citizen membership. She got the American citizen membership. If some Indian people, some Indian girl married to the US man or US man say, so basically she will get the American citizenship. So beside being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly a single and multiple engine land airplane because her husband, Kalpana Chawla's husband, already was the flight instructor, and she also got, then Kalpana Chawla also got a license to fly a single and multiple engine land airplanes. She was also licensed. She also got allowed to fly a multiple and single airplanes and glider also. Here I have written the word glider, types of plane without engine. That means she was allowed to fly a multiple types of airplanes. She was also a certified flight instructor. Even she also certified as a flight instructor as her husband's. After qualifying as a pilot, now she became a pilot. Who flies the aeroplane? It is called a pilot, and Kalpana Chawla allowed it to fly a multiple types of planes. So, qualified as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenges. Now she did her PhD, she completed her engineering, even she got married with the US man, and she got the US citizenship after marrying the US man. And what's her husband name? Her husband name was Jean Perry Harrison. So like that, then after that she also was qualified as a pilot. She certified as a pilot and flight instructor. Now Kalpana began to consider another challenge. Now she was thinking to get another challenge, to do something in the space. Now she applied to NASA, a space shuttle program. Now I have written here what is NASA. NASA is the Independent Space Research Agency in US. Now she applied in NASA. She applied in NASA for the shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. There are lots of so many scientists you can see in the NASA research agency. So she was also hired as a research scientist. That means she qualified as a flight instructor. Even she qualified as a pilot to fly a multiple types of aeroplanes. Now here in the NASA she applied to get a new challenge, to do some new in the life. So in the NASA she hired first as a research scientist. As a scientist they hired the Kalpana Chawla. In 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Now in 1994 she was selected in the NASA, in the same research agency in the NASA as a astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied. Means anyone can ask if she went to the space or whenever she is going to be. So someone takes the interview and everything. So many people ask her, many journalists ask her. When asked that it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought by pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city. Then whenever the journalist asks, then how do you feel? Now you are in the NASA and you are selected as a training in the astronaut and everything. Then how do you feel? Then the Kalpana Chawla said, I never dreamed that I am from the small town, or I am woman, or doing anything else that was a woman or a person from a small town. I never dreamed like that I will be here in the NASA for the space mission as an astronaut. I will be here because I am from the small town and I am woman, but I never felt that. Or a different country. and pretty much had my dream like anyone else and followed them. Everyone has a dream. From the childhood only we dream that I will be a teacher, I will be a doctor, I will be an engineer. And the same Kalpana Chawla also had one dream to be a astronaut or to be touch the boundaries of the space. So she also saying in the interview that I also have a dreams like everyone has, and I followed my dream to complete it. Much had the dreams like anyone else and followed them, and the people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said that if that's what you want to do, carry on. That means she is saying whenever I meet to the person, everyone encourage me, everyone inspire me to do the something new or to touch the space. That means she is saying I am very much happy that I have selected here in NASA, and I never thought that I am from the small village, I am from the Karnal, I am from the another country, I am from the India. That I never had thought that, and even I never felt that I am a woman. And fortunately, whenever I meet the people around me, they always encourage me, they always inspire me, and they always push up me to do the new things. So here Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. Now she was selected for the space mission in NASA. She was selected for the space mission in the NASA, and the mission was Columbia. The space shuttle Columbia, and it was for the 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. That means she was in the space for the 15 days. That duration was, the mission was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. That means in that shuttle she went to the earth 252 times. That means that time duration, that mission time was for the 15 days, 16 hours. And in this duration she went to the earth. She went around the earth for 252 times to take a round around the earth, and traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and the Ukrainian astronaut. That means in that crew, crew means the group. In that group, the people who was selected for that mission, in that group, along with the Kalpana Chawla, some Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut was also there with the Kalpana Chawla in that crew, in that group, in that mission, in that space shuttle. The crew performed experiments such as the pollinating plants to observe food growth in space, and the test for making stronger metals and the faster computer chips, for all a price tag of about $56 million. That means that crew did some experiment in the space while doing the successful mission. In the time duration, 15 days time duration, they went around the earth 252 times and traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Now some Japanese and Ukrainian people, astronaut was also there in that crew, and that crew experimented to observe the food or plants and growth in the space. That means they did some experiments. They did some experiments in the space to find out some food, whether some foods or plants are available there in the space, or to find out some things to do in the space, because they were going to reach in the space. That's why they were doing some experiments to find out some foods and find out some plants there. Even they did the experiments to test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. That means first experiments they had did to find out the food and to find out the plants over there, and the second experiment they have done for making a stronger metal and the faster computer chips. There, all for a price tag of about $56 million. That means in Indian rupees we can imagine the $56 million means in a crores. Now here in the next paragraph, on the Saturday night when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. But on the Saturday night, because the mission was going on there and they were going to reach to the space, but on the Saturday night there was a heartbreaking news of Columbia disaster. That means that space mission was not successful. There was a shock and disbelief. That means no one can believe that mission was unsuccessful. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. Now what happened? As soon as the people got the news that the Columbia disaster, and it was the heartbreaking news, so everyone was thinking that somehow the crew should be survived. And the people was very sad after listening this Columbia disaster, because everyone was very excited the Kalpana Chawla will be reached to the space, and her town people was very happy and they were cheering for her. But unfortunately the Columbia shuttle disaster broke, and it was very heartbreaking news for the people who was expecting many things from the Kalpana Chawla, and the whole night they couldn't sleep and they were just praying to God that somehow Kalpana Chawla and the people with her, the other astronaut, Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts, should be saved. Now in the journalist, in the next day in the newspaper we can see the journalist wrote, she was a heroine. That means the Kalpana Chawla was very great. All the crew member that day died. Now in the next day in the newspaper, journalist has written, she was a heroine. That means she was she was brave. She has very much great imagination, and she has dreamed very high to touch the boundaries of the space. That means she is the real heroine. And it takes the enormous ability to become an astronaut. That means we should have a great ability to become an astronaut. It is not easy to go to the space with the spaceship. So it has a great ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics and the aeronautical engineering. Now here in that newspaper you can see here also the page number on 49, there are some article is there about the Kalpana Chawla's Columbia disaster. In that newspaper the journal is saying that she is the heroine, she was the real heroine who tried to reach in the space, who tried to touch the boundary of the space. But unfortunately that mission was unsuccessful, and that 7 people died in the before going to the space. You need to know a lot about everything from biology and the astrophysics and the aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. That means before doing to the everything, before commenting on this, we should know the everything, what is the aeronautical engineering and what is aerospace engineering. We should have a great ability to become an astronaut. Her achievement is inspiration. That means the Kalpana Chawla's achievement, whatever they did, the half or full unsuccessful mission, that is the inspiration for the each and every Indian people and for the other people also. Now at the last paragraph, page number 50. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. That means many young girls, many young women, everyone had take inspiration from the Kalpana Chawla, because from the childhood she had a very big dreams to reach to the space. And there are some planets like I have written on the board: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. So everyone should learn the lesson from the Kalpana Chawla. Everyone can take inspiration for her. That means Kalpana Chawla become an inspirational woman for Indian and for the everyone on the world. In a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said the path from dream to success does exist. Now, before going to the space, she has sent one message to her college girls, to her college youngster, that everyone has a dream. Everyone has a dream, but you just have to find out the success is also there in that path, and you should have a vision to find out that success. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to take into it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely too many who start off on the journey to fulfill their dreams. That means, in short, she saying one message before going to space to her college youngsters, that everyone has a dream, but in the dreams part you also have to find out a vision to find out the success also, because success is there only, but you just have to put a vision to find out it. Now I hope guys you learn this all the story and you get the message also, and you will also inspire from the Kalpana Chawla. Now it's time to write down this, what is the space and spaceship and what is NASA, and some new words also have written here which is not in the textbook, but you can write down this all. You have just 5 minutes to note down this all. Now the exercise is given there on page number 50, working with the test. This all question answers are there. You will get the answer of this all question, right? But you also try to find out the question of this, answer of these questions. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.